today we'll begin talking about different organic bacterial inoculants that you can add to your soil or to your hydroponic system in order to help your plants grow better. Some of the more familiar ones on the market would be your mycorrhiza, which is a inoculant that they use in order to help the roots grow better and help the plants to assimilate nutrients better. You can get it in either a powder form where you can sprinkle it in the garden, or in a tablet form where you can plant underneath your plants. Another form that they have would be in a liquid form where you mix the two liquids together. One's the actual inoculant, the other one is the food for the inoculant. These, like I said, will help your roots to grow better. Other inoculants that they have would be like a subculture with has all the different bacilli inoculants. Will help to keep off any kind of root rot or pythium or fusarium, which are different diseases that plants can get when they're growing. There's also a liquid one, which is the HydroGuard. That one's used more for hydroponic systems. You can use it in soil as well, and what it is also just a bacilli inoculant. There are all different brands and formulas of the same thing. This one right here is a spray that you'll use to control mold and mildew. It's also a bacilli inoculant, but instead of 4 different bacilli, it has over 700 different types of bacilli. Inoculants are very important in organic gardening because they help the plants either fight off disease or assimilate nutrients better.